Hello and welcome to That's the Point. This is the place where we talk about construction technology, specifically Trimble technology. My name is Corey Meyer, here with my partner in crime, Jonathan Stickle. What's up, man?
Not too much. Glad to be here.
All right, we've got our running shoes on today, and actually we really both do. But today we're going to do a super fast one, but this is one that is just hot off the presses. Has to deal with FieldLink 6.9 and the laser scanners, the X series, and that has to do with formatting SD cards. This is a popular one.
Yes, this is something that we get asked. Our field guys get this question asked all the time, and with the new 6.9 release, it's something that you can do in the field very quickly. So we're going to walk you through that.
Yep, because previously we did that with the utility, like you had to download a utility, and now it's all just baked right into FieldLink, which is super helpful. And then it's just important to note, you just got to have a couple things. So you have to have obviously you have to have a scanner. The scanner has to be connected to the tablet, which ours is. You can see it's green, it's ready to go. You also have to have an SD card. Trimble ships these with 32 gigabytes, but with this formatter, we can also do larger. So you can do 128, 64, larger ones as well. We also have I remember we did it, That's the Point. Here in this picture on screen, they're written on the card, so you've got your read-write speed on the card. You've also got formatting this card couldn't be easier now.
Yeah, very simple. So once you log into Trimble FieldLink, you'll go ahead and connect to the scanner. The map screen will appear. All right, so we'll go ahead and click on the Device tab, and then down at below, we'll click on Settings.
We actually have a couple new ones there because you can see, actually, you've got auto level, you've got the format SD card, which we're about to, and we also have the calibrate and the diagnostic, which has been there. And we did do the diagnostic ones in a previous version, or a previous episode. You can download that by linking below as well.
Yeah, so we'll just simply click on the format SD card. It'll give us a prompt. Are we sure we want to do that? We'll click yes.
Yeah, because there's no coming back from this. When you format it, that data's gone.
So then as you can see, the scanner is blinking yellow, so it's processing, and it's green. We're good to go.
And voila, there it is. We've formatted an SD card right there in FieldLink.
I mean, it really is that simple, and it's something that you guys can do out in the field.
We just like making people happy. This is definitely a common one. Glad to bring it. So you have to have 6.9. So if you don't, or if you need to upgrade your subscription or anything else, just reach out to the local Building Point rep. They would be happy to do so. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you stay up to date with all the latest tips, tricks, and pointers. We did it. It's a fast one.
It was.
Just bringing joy to people. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on That's the Point.